Alright, y'all. Making this for the first time. Chicken teriyaki with rice and vegetables. By a mountain house. This is what it looks like before it's cooked. I'm using my new spork I bought at Walmart. Comes 2 in a package. I think it's about $3. And here's my butane stove. My gas one butane stove I got at the 99-cent only store for $10 plus tax. Here's my water kettle. Just gonna pour water in here. Stir. Smells good before it even cooks. I need some more water. Smells like teriyaki chicken for sure, but in a bag. Deep freeze. Okay, it says to put 2 cups of water, but I like to put a little extra so it won't be so dry. So just keep stirring it. Make sure you stir real good, especially at the bottom. Because some dry content mix, whatever, is at the bottom. And it's alright, then it said to close the lid and stir after 4 minutes, and then let it stand 8 to 9 minutes. And then stir it again, and then it's ready to eat. So I'm gonna let it sit here for a bit. I got me some hot chocolate. I love Colorado cup. I need to go back. I live in Tucson, Arizona, and it's nothing like being in Colorado. All right, y'all. When I was pouring the water, well, actually, when I opened this and I poured the water, it smelled like teriyaki chicken. But as I stirred it, it didn't smell like it. So I hope it tastes like it at least.